In this video, I'm going to use these gallium metal Lego style figures to make a fidget spinner. And I'll be using this silicon mould to make them. I warmed up some gallium metal in some warm water so it changed from a solid into a liquid. Then I sucked it up in a syringe and injected it into the mould. You have to leave it to cool down to solidify. To make the fidget spinner mould, I'm going to be using this blue plasticine. And I pushed it out flat on a tray. To shape the mould, I'm going to use one of these wooden blocks and this ground black pepper pot. I started by pushing the block firmly into the plasticine, like this, to form a channel. Then took the pepper pot and did the same thing in the centre. Tidy it up a bit and it should look like this. Once your figures have cooled down, remove them from the mould, and they look really good. And we're going to embed them in the mould at the end of the channel. One here, and one the other way up here. Try to make them evenly spread from the centre. Then place a bearing in the middle. And I used this lighter to warm up and melt the sides of the figures. And when you're done, you can fill the mould up with liquid gallium. The idea is this will bond to the figures and it'll all set as one piece. So I left it to cool down to see what we get. Carefully remove it from the mould. And that's our spinner complete. Pretty cool, huh? It seems to have bonded together really well. And this is what it looks like from the back. I put these bearing caps on and gave it a go. It's pretty well balanced and spins for quite a long time. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look.